Welcome to the session on communication. Meaning of communication. Communication is the basic for any individual to survive. It is basic which is like food, water, clothing, and shelter. Communication is neutral by birth. The existence of a society is because of communication than development or progress. The word communication is derived from the Latin word communis, which means common. In its application, it means a common ground of understanding. It is the process of exchange of facts, ideas, opinions, and means that individuals or organizations that share an common thing to one another. In other words, it is transformation and interacting of facts, ideas, opinions, feelings, or attitudes. Communication is just talking to one another, passing information, ideas, and attitude from one person to another. For this exchange of information, man use complicated, mediated channels to communicate. Communication is an interdisciplinary concept because theoretically it is approached from various disciplines such as mathematics, accounts, science, ecology, linguistic, system analysis, auditing, etc. Coming to the definition of communication, Newman and Summer has defined communication is an exchange of facts, ideas, opinion, or emotions between two or more persons. Communication is also defined as intercourse by words, letters, symbols, or messages, and as a way that one organization members shares meaning and understanding with another. Leland Brown defines communication as the transformation and interchange of facts, feelings, or course of action. Alan Lewis A. defines communication as the sum of all the things one person does when it wants to create understanding in the minds of other. It involves a systematic and continuous process of telling, listening, and understanding. Coming to the meaning of communication, communication can broadly be defined as exchange of ideas, messages, and information between two or more persons through a medium in a manner that sender and the receiver understands the message in the common sense that they develop common understanding of the message. The word communication, which is has been told earlier, is derived from a Latin word which is communicare, which means to share, impart, participate, exchange, transmit, or to make common, to emphasize on. Sharing common information, ideas, and messages is not merely issuing orders and instructions. Thank you.